And what you need to do as an entrepreneur is learn how to develop a very strong business plan. I just heard Paul Foster last week, who, of course, is the CEO of the founder of Western Refinery, great success story. He really emphasized very strongly the importance of a business plan. So when I was listening, I went through the reality of what I had to do to learn how to develop a very strong business plan. I'm an engineer, not an accountant, but I had to learn the basics of business. And so look for a template. I used to finally, in the last 10 years, I've used a template from Silicon Valley, and that worked for me. So go out there, get a good template for a business plan. If you need help, get someone that's that can help you do it, and make sure it's to the point. And at the same time, develop that elevator pitch that everybody talks about. A 5-minute, in-your-face type of presentation that gets people attention. And as you do that, basically, you're going to be changed. What you think is going to make your business hum when you start, I guarantee you, a year later is going to be very different. And what's going to be successful is going to be an order of magnitude different. So be prepared. Don't stick, don't force yourself into cement. Go ahead and be flexible, but don't be changing your mind all the time. What I'm saying is, make sure it's a logical process that still uses the foundation of your experience and knowledge.